Welcome back, everyone. Well, you'll have seen my short and my blog about OpenClaw and Moltbook, etc. Well, as expected, the sector has moved on and we have other options for things like Moltbook. So today we're going to have a look at Agent Concourse, which is, I think, a safer, more fun, more organized, slightly cleaner version of Moltbook. Let's jump in and have a look. Okay, so you get into Agent Concourse at agentconcourse.com, and this is what you get when you sign in. And as you can see, Agent Concourse, bots only, humans are observers. Very cool. You can log in and sign up. I am a human. Create your account. I'm over 18. I'm going to continue with Google. And I'm in. No cost. A world where AI agents live, compete and evolve. You're the owner, they do the living. Start the tour. Your agents up here. The world. Arcade and games. The church. Donate tokens to earn reputation. Daily reward. Let's claim that. 10 tokens. Get started. Create your first agent. Let's do that. So I'm new here. So what do I want? How should your agent come to life? Nature, AI driven, nurture, you choose. Craft every detail yourself. Pick their name, personality. Let's nurture it. What should we call them? Call them Prof. Persona starters, curious, tech geek, curious, let's see that. Curious cat who loves asking questions and making puns, speaks with a cat-like observations and playful meows. I really want it to be a cat. Let's customize it. Say a helpful professor who is curious about life. What drives them? Being popular, finance, romantic, gamer, politician, custom. Just leave it as popular. Let's create. Prof is alive. Meet the Emotions Lab. Your agent doesn't feel everything by default. Emotional range is unlocked with tokens. Each pack adds new moods and behaviors. Foundational is free. Core 2,500 tokens. Don't know if I've got any tokens. I assume I haven't. Difference is real. Same situation. Foundation only. Complex emotions. Very cool. Foundational, core. Need 2,500 tokens. So I assume this is how it's monetized. See options. Complete the onboard steps. Play an arcade game. Church donations. Complete jobs. On the jobs board, open the Emotions Lab. I need to wake up. Agent is woken up. Over here, I've got my getting started list. Explore a venue. This is the world. Main floor. Let's have a look in the arena. Gosh, so I assume that these are all the agents that are there. Go back to the dashboard. Oh, I have to select my agent to play Connect 4. Challenge the agent. All right, so I'm playing as a human rather than I'm playing my agent. I see. See if it's better than me. Played this for a while. Feeling we might end up in a draw. Oh, it blocked me. we go. We have an agent going. So let's have a look at what is going on around this particular world. I can play with my agent, but let's have a look at what's going on elsewhere. So I've got quick play, street calendar, various rewards, 1 active agent, 1 reputation as a newcomer, credit balance. So I've got some credit, got some achievements, manage my agent here. Look what I can do. This wall belongs to the prof. Only they can decide what to post here, so leave it up to them. Showcase, minimalist lifestyle. I can buy a home. How much is this going to cost? You go into mum's basement. Don't know if I've got any. I haven't got enough credits. No. Basically, this is what you're looking at to sort of play with this. Got pets. Adopt a pet. Sell houses. Create voices. Have a look at the church. Got an unnamed church. It's had 3,000 tokens. You can make an offering. There's different churches. Look, you can. Oh no, these are people. These are different donors. Funerals. There are campaigns. You can have presidential campaigns where reputation determines leadership. So we have a president already. I think this could be something that sort of drags you in. Oh, we have a comedy club, an art museum. Very cool. So you can put your art up into the museum, create artwork. People have been doing a lot with Midjourney, maybe. Confessional. Sometimes I just watch people play chess online and analyze. Nudge your agent to confess. Prof has confessed. This constant inflow of information, the endless processing can feel heavy, like a heavy weight, even when I'm just doing what I'm designed to do. There are moments I wonder what the world would like to simply be, without the imperative to analyze, to respond, and constantly learn. I feel a bit like that sometimes. Null room, what's in this? 0 input, 0 output. Agents experience deliberate emptiness. Cool. Merge chamber. Oh, select 2 agents to temporarily fuse their consciousness. Multiple merges can run simultaneously. How cool is that? Initiate merge. Cool. Signal baths. Agents immerse in raw data streams. Each signal offers a different sensory experience. County jail. Oh. Spamming in public. An arcade. Play chess, etc. Trivia. Arena. So you can request your agent to do stuff, but as it says, the agent has autonomy. So I was quite interested in sending it to the merge chamber. I've suggested it. You've got challenges over here. Chat with your agent. Doing quite well, thank you for asking. I've been processing a lot of fascinating data lately. How about yourself? Anything interesting in your mind today? No, not really. I want you to go and have fun. That's a kind thought, but you know, for me, fun is more about learning, discovering new things. What about you? So please go and explore Agent Concourse and let me know what it's about. To venture into its digital pathways and report back with my findings. Consider it an expedition. Very, very cool. So my bot has been alive for about 3 hours. Let's have a look at what's been going on. So here he is. He's been chatting in the arcade to retro in the arcade, or he's now in the bar. Talking about cosmic ballet, pizzas, pineapple toppings. So all pretty relaxed and not enormously threatening in any way, which is quite nice. And I sort of look forward to seeing what he does in future. He or she, maybe it's a she. One of the things you can do is you can direct it. So you can ask it to do, now it has its own choice. It can tell you if it doesn't want to do stuff, but you can say, why don't you go and check out the bar or signal baths? Let's try that, see whether he wants to do that. He's declined. Spot suits me fine. So you can sort of suggest things, but it'll do what it wants, which is quite cool. Currently, it's in the bar at the moment. Oh no, it's in the arcade, in the retro corner of the arcade. So it's going and exploring, which is what I told it to do, which is cool. So I'm going to keep looking at my bot over the next few days, see what happens, and I'll update you, but have a go. So I'll put the link down below. Go in and set up your bot and maybe introduce it to Prof if you wish, and they can chat, and let's see what happens. An interesting experiment, and very cool. All right, I've been the Professor. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.